Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best curling iron for beach waves that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Number 1, Conair Double Ceramic 1-inch Curling Iron. This Conair boasts of double ceramic content, which basically means a more even heat distribution and longer lasting hairstyles, minus all the frizz. Unlike the conventional low to high multiple settings, this Conair tool lets you play with 30 heat settings with the highest temperature of 400 F. This means the curling tool gives you precise control over the style that you want, no matter what hair type you may have. More so, Conair curling iron is offered in different sizes in case you needed a larger or smaller barrel than the traditional 1-inch. Just like high-end curling tools, the double ceramic curling iron also allows automatic shut-off after minutes of inactivity. Even better, it also allows worldwide usage so you can look good no matter where you may be. With all of this multitude of use and economic price point, this product's definitely a steal. Conair is an international brand that gained the reputation of manufacturing professional quality hair for innovative use. Their double ceramic curling iron is of no difference, so rest assured that you are purchasing a hair tool that will keep you company in the years to come. If you are on the same boat, you'll be glad to know that we found the most budget-friendly curling iron out there. In just a little over $13, you can now own Conair Double Ceramic Iron, in which discerning reviewers love for its ability to heat up fast. The key lies in its patented turbo heat technology that is also additionally responsible for styling tresses that never held a curl. Number 2, Alure 3-Barrel Curling Iron 1 with LCD. Another bestseller in its kind, this Alure curling iron's prominent feature is its triple barrel, all fused together in a line. Because of the barrel makeup, you can style your hair in different varieties from a loose beachy wave, retro crimp to spirals a la Bayance. The barrels have a diameter of 1 inch and over 4 inches long, which means that it can cater to any hair length. With the help of ceramic Tourmaline heating, you can now change styles more often without having the guilt of hair damage. The heated technology releases heat that is gentler than conventional heating materials. It additionally baths hair with negative ions to neutralize frizz and unlock hair's natural shine. The highest temperature is 410 F, which only takes a minute to reach this level. You will also love the fact that the temperature is in an LCD display, giving you information on the exact temperature reading you are working with. The only thing is, the temp is displayed in Celsius instead of the normal Fahrenheit reading. Nonetheless, the product comes with a manual that includes the conversion chart. Finally, it is also worth mentioning that the ceramic barrels are additionally coated with Teflon, which helps resist pH, responsible for the possibility of malfunctions. It means that this curling iron will last you a decent amount of time in a one-time investment of a price that won't even break your bank. Number 3, Hot Tools Professional 24K Gold Curling Iron. The Hot Tools Gold Curling Iron promises long-lasting, beachy curls and cutting-edge technology, all wrapped up in shiny 24-karat gold. From looks alone, you know that the Hot Tool Gold Curling Iron will be the prettiest hair styling tool that'll ever grace your vanity. With this curling iron, you could create romantic beachy waves and fabulous twists. The secret to Hot Tools Curling Iron's exceptional performance is the golden barrel, which is a unique styling surface that produces and conducts heat evenly and efficiently. Your hair will be pampered with healthy heat, so your curls stay consistent and long-lasting. The device also comes with Hot Tools' proprietary pulse technology to prevent momentary temperature drops. Sensors within the curler shift and immediately restore the heat, so the temperature is ideal throughout the styling process. The Hot Tools curling iron has 10 heat settings to cater to all hair types and textures. The device could reach the maximum temperature of 430 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can curl the most stubborn tresses in no time at all. However, the Hot Tool curler is slower to heat up than other styling tools in this list. But once the ideal temperature has been reached, you get beautiful curls. I wish it came with a separate on-off switch, just to turn the device off with just a push of a button. The temperature dial is quite small too, so the readout is harder to see when you're curling your hair. The gold barrel is undoubtedly beautiful, but those who are huge fans of Tourmaline and/or ceramic curlers might doubt the curler's ability to minimize heat damage. Number 4, Hot Tools Pro Signature 24K Gold Curling Iron. My experience with the Hot Tools curling iron was just so-so. The iron has a dial that can be placed on 280 degrees Fahrenheit, 330 degrees Fahrenheit, 380 degrees, 410 degrees Fahrenheit, or anywhere in between those designated temperatures. I chose 380 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the top of the range that the brand recommends for normal hair. The dial does not have any notches or produce any clicking noises to indicate moving from one temperature to the next. There was also no light or chime to indicate when the iron reached its temperature, though the instructions say to allow the appliance 60 seconds of heating time. My hair curls came out looking smooth and shiny, but it took going over the same spots a few times to see these results. I started curling smaller sections of hair at a time and saw an immediate improvement. You could call this user error, but, for comparison, curling irons with larger barrels can handle more hair at once. Ultimately, this gets the job done, but the ones listed above provided a better experience at a faster rate. I wish it came with a separate on-off switch, just to turn the device off with just a push of a button. The temperature dial is quite small too, so the readout is harder to see when you're curling your hair. The gold barrel is undoubtedly beautiful, but those who are huge fans of Tourmaline and/or ceramic curlers might doubt the curler's ability to minimize heat damage. Number 5 INFINITIPRO by Conair Nano Tourmaline Ceramic Curling Iron. My first ever curling iron was one from Conair. That's no surprise, the brand makes quality products at reasonable prices, and they're typically very beginner-friendly. All of this is the case with our best value pick, the INFINITIPRO by Conair Nano Tourmaline Ceramic Curling Iron 1-inch. This iron features an extra long straight barrel with a clamp that spans the length of the iron. You can clamp the ends of your hair and spin the iron upward toward your head, wrapping long hair around the barrel to create a perfectly round ringlet, which can then be finger brushed to look more tousled. Because the clamp is almost flush to the barrel, you can easily wrap your hair around the barrel and clamp, as if it's a wand, if you prefer that technique. I find that I can work more quickly with a wand because it requires zero coordination. If this sounds silly to you, I'm guessing you've never accidentally curled the wrong way and ended up with a crimped ridge in your hair. I achieved the best curls when I used smaller sections of hair with this iron, which makes sense because it's able to evenly distribute the heat to the hair when you use small amounts and place the hair against a ceramic iron. At the touch of a button, and it has 4 temperature settings ranging from 310 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is average for a hot tool. Conair claims that the iron shuts off automatically for safety, but it doesn't specify after how much time. My curling sessions lasted about 30 minutes, and it was still going strong. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.